Hello, my name is Emma, and today I want to tell you everything about my little sister Lily. She is 10 years old, and she is in the 4th grade. Lily is a very special person in my life, and I love her very much. She is not only my sister, but also my little friend, and I like to watch her every day and see how she grows, how she learns, and how she enjoys life. She is small and slim. Her hair is long, straight, and brown, and it shines when the sunlight comes into our home. She likes to tie it sometimes in a ponytail or in 2 small braids. Her eyes are big and green, and they are always full of curiosity and happiness. When she smiles, it is like the sun coming into the room. Her face is soft, and her cheeks turn a little pink when she runs or laughs. She wears colorful clothes because she likes bright colors. She often chooses yellow or pink dresses, and sometimes she wears a light blue skirt with a white shirt. Her shoes are comfortable because she likes to run, jump, and play a lot. Lily enjoys moving her body. She dances around the house sometimes, and she laughs loudly when she spins too much and almost falls. And I always have to catch her to make sure she is safe. She loves to wear clothes that let her move freely. She does not like dresses that are too tight or shoes that hurt her feet. I think she is very careful about how she dresses, and she has her own small style that is playful and practical at the same time. Lily has a very cheerful and friendly personality. She is kind to everyone and loves to help. She talks a lot, and sometimes she asks many questions, but I think it is because she is curious about the world. She wants to know everything about animals, nature, people, and books. Sometimes she asks me to explain things she learns at school, and I enjoy seeing her interest and excitement. Lily is also very caring. She helps me when I am busy with my work or cooking. She likes to play with our pets, and she often shares her snacks with them. She is brave in small ways. She is not afraid of dogs or cats, and sometimes she goes to the garden to pick flowers alone. She can be a little stubborn, especially when she wants to do something fun or creative, but that is part of her charm. She has a very big heart, and she loves to make people happy. She often draws little pictures for me or writes small notes like, "I love you, Emma," and I always keep them in my drawer because they make me smile every time I read them. Lily loves to draw and paint. She has many colored pencils, markers, and sheets of paper. She likes to sit at the small table in our living room and create different pictures. Sometimes she draws animals, other times she draws people, And sometimes she draws imaginary creatures that are very funny and creative. She enjoys coloring books too, but she often prefers to make her own drawings. Lily also loves dancing. She sometimes turns on music and dances in front of the mirror or in the living room. She likes to pretend she is performing on a stage. When she dances, she moves her arms and spins quickly, and her laughter fills the whole house. She enjoys reading fairy tales. At night, before going to bed, she asks me to read a story. She loves stories about princesses, dragons, and magical lands. She sometimes imagines herself as a character in the story and tells me how she would act. On weekends, she likes to go to the club with me. She enjoys swimming in the pool and running in the open spaces. She likes to be active, and I think sports help her to be strong and full of energy. At school, Lily is in the 4th grade. She is a smart girl who likes learning new things. Her favorite subject is art because she can draw and be creative. She also enjoys English and science, and she sometimes tells me new words or facts she learned at school. She has a few friends that she plays with every day. They like to share their snacks and play small games during the breaks. Lily is polite with her teachers and always tries to follow the rules. She likes to participate in class and answers questions when she knows the answer. Sometimes she feels shy when meeting new people, but she quickly becomes confident and playful. She has a strong sense of fairness and always tries to include everyone in her games. She likes to organize small games and competitions with her friends, like drawing contests or small races during breaks. Lily is very proud when she finishes a drawing or wins a small game, and she likes to show it to me when I pick her up from school. In the morning, Lily wakes up around 7 o'clock. She stretches in bed and yawns. Then she brushes her teeth, washes her face, and puts on her favorite outfit for school. She likes colorful clothes, so today she may choose a pink skirt with a white shirt and her comfortable shoes. I help her pack her school bag with her books, lunch, and water bottle. Then we have breakfast together. She usually eats cereal with milk or sometimes eggs with toast. She likes orange juice, but sometimes she prefers water. After breakfast, she brushes her hair and checks her shoes. Then she leaves for school with a small backpack on her shoulders. She waves goodbye and sometimes jumps a little with excitement because she loves seeing her friends at school. After school, she comes back home and sometimes takes a short rest. Then she does her homework. She sits at the small desk in her room, writes carefully, and asks me questions when she does not understand something. After homework, She usually draws or reads a storybook. Sometimes she plays with small toys or builds little constructions with blocks. Later in the evening, we go to the club. She loves swimming and running outdoors. She enjoys seeing other children and sometimes makes new friends. She is friendly and polite, and many people like her because she is cheerful and helpful. After returning home from the club, she takes a warm shower. Then she reads a story or tells me about her day. I listen to her and ask questions, and we laugh together. She sometimes tells funny stories from school or the club. Before sleeping, she likes to arrange her toys and clothes for the next day. She hugs me and says, "Good night, Emma." And then she sleeps with a big smile on her face. Lily has many small habits that I find funny and cute. She likes to hum songs while drawing, and sometimes she talks to herself while building something with her blocks. She likes to organize her books and pencils in a special way. She often asks me to read a story twice or to tell her a secret. She likes to observe everything around her: the trees, birds, clouds, and even small insects in the garden. She sometimes writes little notes for me, like "Have a nice day," or draws a heart on a paper and leaves it on my desk. She loves celebrating small things, like finishing homework early or making a new drawing. She likes small surprises and little gifts for family and friends. She enjoys baking cookies with me sometimes, helping me mix the ingredients and licking the spoon. She enjoys spending time with our pets. She sometimes pretends she is a teacher and teaches our cat or dog, and she laughs when the animals do not follow her instructions. When she is at the club, she becomes very active. She likes swimming competitions and playing small games with other children. She enjoys team activities and sometimes helps new children feel welcome. She loves the water and feels free when swimming. She also likes to run outdoors, climbing small hills or walking paths. She enjoys watching birds and sometimes draws what she sees in her notebook. She likes chatting with other children and making friends, sharing stories and toys. She is social in small groups and enjoys teamwork. She sometimes gets shy with new people, but she quickly becomes comfortable. I love seeing her learn social skills and make friends. Lily's mind is curious and active. She likes learning new words, asking questions, and discovering new things. Sometimes she asks me questions about the meaning of words or how to pronounce them in English. She likes science experiments at school and sometimes asks me to explain how things work. She enjoys asking about nature, animals, and the world around her. She is imaginative and creative. She often makes up small stories and acts them out in the living room or in her bedroom. She loves role-playing games, pretending she is a princess, a scientist, or a teacher. She enjoys making little drawings and telling me what the characters are doing. At night, after a long day, Lily is calm and relaxed. She likes to sit with me and tell me about her day. She shares small stories about school, her friends, and her games at the club. She likes to laugh and sometimes tells jokes that she learned from friends or made up herself. She enjoys small snacks before bed, like a piece of fruit or a glass of milk. Then she brushes her teeth, changes into pajamas, and reads a story with me. Sometimes she asks me to read the story twice, and we laugh together. Finally, she hugs me and says, "I love you, Emma," and then she closes her eyes and sleeps peacefully, dreaming about her day and the adventures to come. Lily is a special person. She is sweet, smart, funny, and curious. She loves life, learning, and making people happy. I feel lucky to have her as my sister, and I enjoy every moment with her. She is not only my little sister, but also my little friend and sunshine. I hope you enjoyed learning about her and her routine. This is Lily, my wonderful little sister, and I am proud of her every day.